Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable buzz boost lights for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. You have to start by open JBL Portable application, and of course your speaker should be connected with the application and turn on. Then the application open for you speaker menu. And right here we have buzz boost light, so you can enable right now by tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. But if you do not enable buzz boost, it makes no sense to enable these lights. So enable also buzz boost. You can also select the deep one or punchy, it's up to you. And now we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!